na mama maikoro mari mathaa mega manie ngoro gikomithia mara makihanikite kuma counties cigitiganite odemo na turikia gutaburuka uria matura-ini marakigariura nigetha we ngwe murorori witu ukorwo kimenya uria bururi ugitarie mamburi-ini maya mathiguku muthi na ni mwihoko wakwa tumenya waku nagitiruka na mbere oro wega muthi akirine tariki 20 mweri-ini wa 12 mwaka wa 2023 tugitigitie thikoro ithano peke yake tukorwo tukirika gukungwira gucerwo kwa mwonokia witu Jesu Kristo na muthenya wa umuthi niĩ na ũnjĩte Maina wa Muchwe ngũkorwo ngĩgũkũnjũrĩra gĩkũnjũro gĩkĩ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Na no kurokerania na ithuĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook @Muthingi TV, YouTube ni @Muthingi TV, o na X gwĩraga nĩyo Twitter ni @Muthingi TV. Tukĩrĩkia kwambĩrĩria riboti citũ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na nĩ atĩ arutwo wa University wa Kisii nĩ makorwo makĩgunĩka na waki wa nyũmba cia raithi ikĩrĩgĩrĩrwo gũkorwo ikĩhingũrwo mweri-inĩ mwaka-inĩ tũrorete wa 2024 nĩ ndũmĩrĩri ĩkũrekereirio nĩ President William Ruto. Kũringana na Minister wa Mathomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Ezekiel Machogu, ugite nyũmba ici nĩ igũkorwo ikĩguna aya na gwa gũikara kuona kũrĩa magĩkorwo magĩikara gũkoragwo nyũmba ikĩrĩ na goro mũno, no rĩu nyũmba ici cia raithi ikĩrĩgĩrĩrwo gũkorwo ikĩgũithia thogora wa gũikara nyũmba ona thengia wa thogora wa mũtũrĩre gũkorwo ũthiĩte na mbere na kwambatĩra na njĩra nene gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Riboti ĩno nĩ ĩragĩtũhingũrĩra gĩkũnjũro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ.
Dr. Dennis Mamolea.
This will help to ensure that the graduates have relevant skills that are in demand in the job market. It will also help to ensure that the graduates have the skills and the training we require for national development. This is particularly important as we continue to roll out the competence-based curriculum. The responsibility is now on our universities to retool their staff and upgrade their infrastructure in readiness for the first CPC class in 6 years' time, and that will be the year 2029. Additionally, in the first supplementary, we were able to allocate some funds to this university, and I'm sure that progressively moving forward in the second supplementary, we should also be able to allocate some more funds to this university, because I've been able to confirm the needs of this great institution. The task is now upon the management of the university to move with speed to ensure that the designs are completed in readiness for the groundbreaking ceremony to be done in the first week of February by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya.
We will also seek to promote the good working relationship between my administration and the university. I want to point out that for the graduates, where one of my colleagues, Governor Gikunjuro, now Dr. Kotimoja, he is called Kotimoja, he is here. This is the Governor Gikunjuro. Congratulations, my brother. Looking forward for you also to sit in when I'll be doing mine, probably next year. I congratulate all the graduates and advise that you put the skills you have acquired into practice to earn a living and create more network.
Namo maafitha a borithi kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana nĩ magaikitie ngono kwĩrwo ana a wici wa kĩa hinya arĩa marerĩkana marohete thabarĩ kumanagia na gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi nginyagia gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana gwĩtabania ciĩko ciao cia wici. Marata gũkorwo makĩera mũhũri ũmwe wa biacara ũkĩũĩkaine ta Gabriel Maraga na kũringana na mũborithi ũmwe arĩkĩtie kuga atĩ maratanyĩte gũkorwo makĩiya mbeca mũigana wa ciringi 300,000 kũrĩ mũhũri ũyũ wa biacara. Reke twamũkĩra riboti ĩno kuma kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana.
So nika suspect haraka sana hii gari yenye iko nyuma yangu yenye reverse ndio imenipora. Nikaifuata, nikipiga simu kwa ofisi ya polisi, kwa sababu kuna mapolisi wengi tunajuana nao. Nikawapigia simu nikasema mimi nimeporwa na gari yenye imenipora pesa, ninaifuata, mkimbie mniokoe, ama mpige simu pale mbele kwa roadblock wafunge hiyo gari isipite. So tunaomba polisi na tunawashukuru kwa kazi yenye wanafanya, na tunawaomba wasidi kuwa na hiyo roho ya kurespond kwa wakati tunawahitaji.
So the suspects already are in our custody, and we want to probe or to investigate further to know these suspects are claiming to have come from Nairobi. I also want to appreciate the members of public for having the trust with the officers, and that can be confirmed by this incident. If the member of public was not having a good rapport with the police officer, assistance could not have been given. He gave out a distress call, and the police were able to pick the distress call and acted upon.
Na tukihugukira kaunti ya Meru ni ati ahuri ya biashara kuma kaunti ino ni magituganite hamwe niguo gucokaniriria meciria maura magikorwo magikuria biashara ciao mahinda-ini maya ma mambura ma thiguku niguo korwo makihurana na thogora munene, niguo korwo makihurana na kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturire na njira nene kuringana na ahuri ya biashara aya mugitete manginyitanira mari hamwe ni makota gukorwo na maundu maingi undu umwe na gutwarithia na mbere biashara ciao na gukuria wonjuri thiini wa kaunti-ini ino ya Meru.
In terms of the economy, it has been tough, but Meru as a county is a very dynamic county. In regards to agriculture, they have a lot in plenty. So I would say that the county itself has been able to cushion itself in regards to the tough economic times, and that's how we've been able to get in the locals to come in and be tenants and also come and enjoy and have an experience in the mall. And it has been exciting, onboarding the brands and just trying to work around to cushion the current economic challenges we are facing as a country.
So it's a great time. I know it's a festive time, and we have both visitors within Meru and visitors coming outside Meru to come and do shopping at the mall. So one of the benefits is that you're able to get a mixture of customers or even potential customers within this venue, because you realize in malls is where most people visit, so that's what we are calling visitors to the mall. You're able to maybe sell to them your goods or services, and also you're able to meet your customers who've been interacting with you, and this is like a one-stop shop. When you're coming to the mall at this festive time and the time we're doing the expo, it's like a one-stop shop whereby you can get all that you need. There will be financial institutions, you'll have marketers, we'll have people in hospitality. So instead of walking around so many kilometers looking for what you want, you're able to get it within this location.
Meru is strategically placed naturally it is strategically placed, and it connects and it communicates with a lot of other counties nearby. So Meru is practically a hub, and it is getting better and better as the day progresses as far as the business is concerned, especially when we talk about healthcare arena over here. The other businesses are also thriving, and that's where we are over here creating the synergies with the help of this expo. And again, the Greenwood City Mall, it is again strategically placed as well. So all the strategies, they are coming together to create all those synergies and the energies flowing together in the same direction.
I would like to extend my appreciation to the realtors who have created this opportunity for us and the Greenwood Mall. We are so grateful. What I would like to say is to encourage all the entrepreneurs to join us in this event and learn from those who have thrived in business. I believe there are a lot of things to learn from our fellow entrepreneurs.
Business have not been doing well, considering the economic crisis is a countrywide issue. But we're struggling, we're looking forward to positive outcome. Considering it's a festive season, we look forward to people come on board to shop, because we know we have a culture of saving for the Christmas, for the festive seasons.
Nayo family imwe kuma Bondo tigitwe gicaka ya gikukia umwe wao kimenyekanite Vincent Okothwo wa ukuru wa miaka 41 uragikwirire kura bururi-ini wa Sudan ya muhuro kurigana na nyina wa Vincent ugete ati Vincent arakwirire nyumba-ini yake ya gukombora riu magetha ciringi 250 niguo kuhota gucokia mwiri wake bururi-ini niguo mahote gwitabania mathiko na wona kwago guo mwiri wa Vincent no gucinwo bururi-ini wa Sudan ya muhuro.
Okoth ameaga kule South Sudan. Hatukujua alikuwa huko. Sisi tulifikiri ameenda Nairobi kutafuta. Lakini baadaye tukajua kwamba ako South Sudan, na tulijua tu muda mfupi kisha baadaye tukaambiwa amefariki.
Ile siku nilipotoka hapa, nikamwacha kijana wangu hapa. Nikalala hospitali, nikalazwa na mgonjwa. Sasa nikapiga simu huku nyumbani, nikaambiwa hayuko nyumbani. Nikauliza ameenda wapi. Sasa nilikuwa nafikiria amerudi kwa kibarua chake Nairobi. Sasa akanipigia simu ikiwa na namba ya nchi nyingine, South Sudan. Sasa nilikuwa nashindwa, nitaanza kumuuliza vipi. Sasa akanipigia simu, tulia tu mama, mimi natafuta, manake hatuwezi kukaa huko kama wewe unatafuta, na sisi pia hatuna kibarua, na sisi ni watu wakubwa. Wacha nitoke nje kama mwanaume.
Okoth alikuwa mtu mzuri, alikuwa mpole, alikuwa anashughulika na kazi yake. Alikuwa yeye ndio breadwinner kwa hii familia yetu. Kwa hivyo ukituona bibi yake amebaki, watoto wamebaki wako secondary, sisi hatuna uwezo. Yeye ndiye alikuwa anasaidia mama yake huko South Sudan. Yeye anafanya manual works, si kazi ngumu, si kazi yenye inaleta pesa mingi sana. Kwa hivyo sisi tunaomba tu kama tunaweza pata usaidizi.
Na tukiabe tuikiria rohani ndo ekoro githie haraya muni ndagicokera mena mangi maingi guririkane no thi na mbere na korane nani kore mwene wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV ndo mwene kore mwene wa YouTube @Muthingi TV na X ni @Muthingi TV. Tuabe tuikiria
Kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia.
Watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe.
Na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay.
Ndwagirirwo gutwarwo police station kana gutwarwo criminal court ni undu wa defamation.
Na nikio ni nawe tufatie kumenya uria mundu agietha kihoto giake.
Mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent.
Kihoto iriko na muthuri na mutumia tokoga na indo ikwari.
Watho ni witikiritie ciana ici utigirwo.
Nyitana nani Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaigire cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie cigi watho amugoko nikuo kihumo kia gutherema.
What about mambo fantastic if not scholastic? Chota kuchota na Hetia Supermarket imerudi. Ukifanya tu shopping ya shilingi 1000, wewe unaingia kwa promotion ya chota kuchota na Hetia Supermarket. Watu wanaendelea kushinda ndani ya Hetia Supermarket. kitoko. Hey, wewe na
umeshinda nini? Yote. Hamsa, unabenalala.
Karibu ndani ya Hetia Supermarket uweze kuchota kwa wingi kabisa. Watu wanasema nini? Nakwambia kwamba chota kuchota. Unangoja nini?
Magari 7 za kushindaniwa, TV, fridge, microwave, shopping vouchers, school fees vouchers, instant prizes na zawadi zingine kemkem. Chota kuchota imethaminiwa na Hetia's Oven Fresh Bakery, Gigabyte, Mount Kenya Milk, Clover's Food Products, Velvet, Magic Drink, Pwani Oil, Arenco, Fruit Juice, Masterchef, Toilex, Coolsip, Mika, Wash Ultra, Philos, Prestol, Nivea, My Choice, Ushindi, Fresh Fry, Arimis Jelly, Cabernet Water, Dettol, Ketepa, Meta, Glucose, Coca-Cola, Rosy Tissue, Big Giant, Elbins, Unilever, Fresh, Unga wa Dola, Blue Band na Pasta Star. Shindano la chota kuchota linaanza tarehe 1 Disemba hadi tarehe 10 Februari mwaka 2024.
Hetia Supermarket, a world of choice.
Gagi kwa mukira rita rĩngĩ na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na atĩ mũmbunge wa Sigo Peter Lokachapong nĩatetetie rũhonge rwa ũtambia wa thitima matũũra-inĩ kĩrĩa augĩte nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũtwarithia na mbere tabarĩra cia kũgathĩka transformers hatarĩ ũnyitanĩri na wabici yake. Peter agĩtetetie ang'ethanĩri ake na makĩria kĩoro ta mũmbunge wa Pokot ya mũndũ ũgwĩtwo David Kosing nĩ kĩrĩa augĩte marathiĩ na mbere na gũtwarithia na kuonania atĩ gũtirĩ wĩra akoretwo akĩruta makiria kuonania atĩ ndakĩoete wĩigĩrĩrĩki wĩra-inĩ wake. Reke twamũkĩre riboti ĩno kuma kũrĩa Pokot ya mũhuro.
Fulani fulani kuandamine wale ambao wamechaguliwa katika nafasi ya ubunge. Kwa mfano, na sisi tutapazui tuone kwamba ako na nia gani. Kama anataka kutumia ofisi yake kufanya siasa, ajitokeze na tujue, ili tujue kwamba yeye amekodishwa ama yeye anatumika kuendeleza agenda ya mtu fulani. Hatuambie, kwa sababu tunataka maofisi ya serikali iwe impartial, iwe kwamba inahudumia Wakenya wote kwa usawa. Lakini si kwamba unataka kuegemea kwa sababu sasa unataka kujenga mtu fulani, sasa unataka kutumia ofisi yako kwa njia mbaya. Hiyo ndio nataka niseme kwamba mimi nimekasirishwa na hiyo, na mimi siwezi kukubaliana na yeye, na hata nilifanya hima ya kuweza kumpigia simu na tukakubaliana. Only to learn kwamba sasa yale ambayo tulikubaliana haikufanyika, yeye akaenda kufanya ile ambaye yeye alikuwa amepanga, ile kazi ambayo inakuja sasa kucheza siasa katika sehemu hii yetu ya West Pokot na hasa katika Sigor constituency. Kwa sababu haiwezekani kwamba sasa wale ambao wanapeleka kwenda kufanya ile survey ya mali kuweka transformers ni watu ya kutoka constituency nyingine, na sisi tuko na tumeuliza hizi matransformer na tunajua mali itaenda, lakini sasa anatuficha na kutuma watu ambao sasa si watu wa Sigor kuenda kufanya siasa na kufanya mtu fulani. Hiyo tunataka kukemea kabisa.
Haya, nakio gikundi kia aikari kuma mwena wa Athi River gĩcigo-inĩ kia ũmbunge kia Mavoko matarĩirie haho ĩrĩa maragĩikara nayo thutha wa mũgũnda ũrĩa maragĩikara kwĩigĩrwo nĩ mũigithia ũmwe kĩũmbe ona thengia wa igoti gũkorwo ĩrũgamĩtie ũmomori thĩinĩ wa Athi River. Kũringana na aikari aya matetetie rũhonge rwa borithi nĩ kĩrĩa marauga nĩ kũgonderera wĩra-inĩ wao. ADF komanda wa borithi kuma gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ akĩũria aikari kũgĩaga na ũma hĩndĩ ĩrĩa maragĩkorwo makĩgũra mĩgũnda yao. Reke twamũkĩre riboti ĩno kuma kũrĩa Mavoko Athi River.
Na leo tukiwa tumekaa tumeona watu wamekuja na matingatinga wakavunja gate yetu pale chini. Wakavunja gate, wakaingia forcefully, wakaanza kukata mtaro around, na bado mpaka sasa hatujajua ni kina nani wamekuja na polisi wengi sana. Tukiuliza hao polisi wako hapa ground wanasema they are from Athi River police station. Tumewapatia court order, wameangalia, wamekataa ku effect. Tukaenda kwa OCS, we could not find the OCS. The OCS was and the OSPD hakuwa kwa ofisi. Na hii shamba tumekuwa hapa tangu 2002. We were allocated by the then Mavoko Municipal Council kama group ya wakulima. Ukienda pale along the river, utapata tunafanya farming. Hata sasa tunafanya farming. Hizi structures zote ziko hapa, sisi ndio tumeconstruct and we've never had any dispute with anybody. Sasa tena tunaona wengine wameletwa leo na hatujui ni nani wamewaleta, lakini ukiwauliza wanasema wametumwa na OSPD. Kwa nini OSPD mwenyewe hajajileta kwa ground atuoneshe document makaratasi yenye yametumika na mwenye kudai ni yeye mwenyewe, hatumjui na hatujaona mtu. Ni tingatinga tu tunaona tunafanya. Na kwa sababu sisi tunapenda amani, hatutaki kuleta fujo. Hatutaki kupigana hapa kwa shamba kama wale zile group zingine. Sisi tutafuata sheria na tunajua shamba ni yetu na ita remain kwa yetu.
Yes, na rĩu njĩtĩkĩria na gĩtĩo kĩnene ngoro gĩkũnyita thĩinĩ wa ikereka ritũ rĩa kerĩ rĩa mũthingi haro-inĩ na ngwĩraga oma gũkũ nĩkuo ikeno cikiumaga. Tukĩambĩrĩria riboti citũ ciĩgiĩ Maina na mathako nĩ atĩ timu ya 3FC nĩ kĩambatĩire ngathĩ thutha wa kũhota timu ya Kibera Soka ĩragĩtongoretie rĩu ĩno timu ĩno ĩrĩ namba 1 na points 24 na timu ya Soka ya Kibera ikĩrũmĩrĩra na points 22.
Tough, but with God tumemanage kuwin, tumepata 3 points na goal moja, so tuna push tuko hapo juu ya table sahi. Tunasema as a team Christmas sahi tunatukiwa fiti kwa hapo juu ya table division 1, at least tunafurahia na tunaendelea kupush. Mission yetu vile tulisema tukianza ligi ni kwenda NSL, so bado tuna push tu, so tuna break venye game imeisha leo, tuna break leo, watu wanaanza kwenda kwao by kesho, so tunarudi around date 2. Tuko na game away versus Kabati Youth iko date 6, so bado tuna prepare. Tukienda home hakuna kulala, tuko na session, coaches ametupea program, tunaendelea ku train. Tukirudi hiyo game ya Kabati away lazima tupige hiyo win tena.
Nafikiria kwamba kwanza kipindi cha kwanza tuliweza kucontrol game vizuri, tulikuwa na nafasi nyingi sana za kufunga, lakini kipindi cha pili kidogo Kibera walikuja wakakuwa juu lakini goalkeeper wetu tunafurahia kwa sababu aliweza kutuweka kwa game, aliweza kufanya zile crucial saves and we are happy that we got the win. Sasa saa hii tunataka tu kuenjoy hii win kwa Christmas kwa sababu I think tuko juu ya ligi, lakini hatuangalii sana kukua pale, tunataka kuangalia hiyo consistency na vile tutaendelea kuimprove ili tuweze kukabiliana na the second phase part of the league. Lazima kama serikali tuanze kuweka youth structures, hiyo ndio foundation ya kukua dominant in terms of football. So imeanza kufanyika na tungetaka tena iendelee kufanyika zaidi, tuweze kuweka emphasis sana kwa young talent. We identify and we try to nurture the talent, then itatuweka mahali pazuri kama nchi.
Na tukirogore riboti ikiga Maina na muthako wa volleyball wa gĩcũa-inĩ na nĩ atĩ nyabara wa timu ya Nyarari Shebeteka cia volleyball ya gĩcũa-inĩ Salome Wanjala na mwĩhoko na timu yake nĩ gũkorwo ĩgĩtobora thĩinĩ wa ikereka rĩa finals rĩragĩthakwo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa gĩcũa-inĩ. Kũringana na nyabara ũyũ augĩte atĩ mũthaki ũmwe wake ũĩkaine ta Naomi nĩ gũkorwo akĩaga gũthaka mũthako ũyũ nĩ ũndũ wa gũtũngio nguraro. Mabũrũri ta Misiri, Rwanda, Burundi, Ũndũ na Uganda magĩtanyĩtwo kũnyita itemi thĩinĩ wa mbĩtĩka cia finals cia volleyball cia gĩcũa-inĩ iragĩthakwo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa. na gakiendithĩria team ya Nyarari cia muthako wa volleyball ya gĩcũa-inĩ kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ witũ wa Kenya hotani thĩinĩ wa mbĩtĩka ciao cia finals, na ho hau nĩho gũtirihĩra Gikunjuro gĩtũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ no itana kiumĩra njĩtĩkĩria ngoro gĩtambũra andũ maigana ũna. Producer wakwa mũndũ gwĩtwo Kariuki wa Doti, director wakwa mũndũ gwĩtwo Riz, na ũndũ ũmwe na mũndũ gwĩtwo Ng'endo wa Njogu wa Mbui wa Maina nĩgũkinyanĩria mũtambo nĩgũkinyanĩria Gikunjuro gĩkĩ kĩa mohoro no itanarĩkĩrĩria njĩtĩkĩria ndambũra andũ maigana ũna kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook. Ambĩrĩria na George Ngugi, ũnĩ pastor witũ aranjĩra watching you from Christ During headquarters gatho cia mwanya, nake mũndũ gwĩtwo Firis kĩng'ori arakĩnjĩra watching from Kawangware, na hau nĩho gũtihĩra Gikunjuro gĩtũ kĩa mohoro. Ririkana gũtũrũmĩrĩra ona ciahanda thaa ĩmwe ũndũ ũmwe na thaa ithatũ cia hwaĩ-inĩ ngoro gĩkũnengereria mũtambũrũko witũ wa mohoro na njĩra ĩgĩitiranĩte wega. Niĩ ngakwendithĩria mũthenya mwega rĩrĩa tũgĩtigĩtie oro thikũ ithano tũrĩkie gũkũngũĩra mambura ma gũciarwo kwa Jesu Kristo ũrĩa nĩ mũhonokia witũ arogĩtũrangĩra ithuothe atũmenyerere atũrĩithie. Niĩ njĩtagwo Maina Muchwe, nĩ twereganwo.